here's how to change business hours on your Yelp business page. You would first need to log in to the dashboard of your Yelp business account. And once you're logged in, there's a sidebar menu on the left-hand side. On this menu, you can see there's a section called Business Information. We need to click on this section and scroll down just a little bit, and you can see that this is the section for business hours. So these are the business hours of this particular business, and what you need to do is you need to just click on edit, and this is where you would edit the business hours. You can set different time for different days. You can set it as open 24 hours or closed that whole day. So whatever change you need to make on the hours of operation, this is how you would do it. I hope this helps.